we talk about how can you disable sound effects on your affiliate app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go above setting, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and you go down, you come here to sound effects, click in this sign, then like you see here, this color, it's gone. That's means sound effects, it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.